Max and the Midnight Owl, a short moral story. Max was a little boy who loved staying up late. While everyone else slept, he would gaze out of his window, wondering about the world at night. One evening, as the clock struck midnight, he heard a soft hoot. Curious, Max tiptoed outside and followed the sound into the woods. Sitting on a tall oak tree was a magnificent owl with glowing golden eyes. "Why are you awake when everyone else sleeps?" Max asked. The owl chuckled. "The night has secrets that only a few discover." Intrigued, Max followed the owl deeper into the woods. He saw fireflies blinking like tiny stars, a silent fox hunting in the shadows, and a stream that sparkled under the moonlight. Everything looked different, mysterious and beautiful. "The night isn't just darkness," the owl said. "It has its own magic, but only those who look closely can see it." When Max returned home, he no longer feared the night. Instead, he saw it as a world full of wonders waiting to be explored. Moral: sometimes, the things we fear hold the most beauty if we take the time to understand them. Thank you for watching.